How to turn on parental control settings on a Google account. First, go to your phone settings. Now you need to simply go to the Google account where you have logged in your Google account. So right now I have logged in my Google account on this device. Now tap on select all services. Here you can simply scroll down below. So under the kids and family settings, you need to simply select here the parental control, and now here it asking the setup. You need to simply tap on let's do this. So the first thing, you need to simply select your child account here. So right now I want to just add my new child account. So here you can simply tap on add another account, and now here I want to just put my child account here. Then you have to simply tap on next. Now you have to simply confirm your child account password. Now tap on next. Now tap on I agree. And here you notice that I have successfully added my child account here. Here I can control my child account. So only there is a one child account that I have synced with this. Now here you can simply tap on next. Now here it asking enter your parental account. So right now I want to using my main Google account here. Now tap on next. Now I want to just confirm my Google account password here. Then tap on next. So you notice that I have successfully enabled the parental control. Now here it asking enter your parent password to finish the setup. Supervise. So here I want to just put my password. Then tap on next. And now getting steps ready. So now you notice that your parent must be an admin for this device. So you need to simply tap on next. So now as you notice that it asking allow supervise, and I have just enabled this permission. So now my child can easily using Google account with the help of my permission. So you notice that I have successfully done. So tap on next. So you notice that all set. So here you notice that I have successfully set up my parental control settings. So now I can easily see my child activity here. So I can easily see lot of things. So I can easily block things and monitor my child activity. So with the help of this Google feature, you can easily control your child activity on a Google account. So in this video, I have shown you how to set up the parental control settings on a Google account. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.